Want to be rewarded whenever and wherever you spend? Fetch Rewards is an app that lets you earn just by scanning your receipts so that when you buy anything, you get something back. With Fetch, you earn points by scanning receipts. Then, you can redeem those points for gift cards. That means no pre-clipping coupons or saving offers before you hit the store. Just buy what you want and scan the receipt afterward. The app also helps you track spending to identify where your hard-earned cash is going. I'm Beth from Team Clark, and I've been using Fetch Rewards for over a year because it's a great way to put some money back in your pocket when you make a purchase. To get started, download the Fetch Rewards app to your device and open it. Create an account with your Google or Facebook login, or with an email and password. On the Discover page, you'll see featured brands, bonus point rewards, and special offers. Fetch gives you extra points for buying featured brands and products. But you don't need to go out of your way to spend more than you normally would just to get points. Remember to always comparison shop for the best deal instead of buying something just to get a bonus. The app also frequently offers bonuses for referring friends to the app. You can find your referral code on the My Account page under Refer a Friend. Fetch Rewards accepts receipts from virtually anywhere. The app also gives you the option to connect your email and Amazon accounts so that it can scan receipts from any online purchase you make to earn more points. To connect either of these accounts to Fetch, click e-receipts on the My Account page or the blue E icon at the bottom of the screen on the Discover or Activity page. Of course, you can always just stick to uploading the old-fashioned way. Click the camera icon at the bottom of the screen to take a picture of a receipt. Line up the edges so that the outer box turns green and tap the screen to focus the camera. If the picture is blurry, click Retake and try again. For longer receipts, click Add Section to take photos of all of the receipt information. Once you've taken pictures of the receipt from top to bottom, click Submit. Fetch will then process your photos and award you points based on the type of receipt and any bonuses associated with that purchase. And here's an important thing to remember. A receipt has to be from the past 2 weeks to be eligible. Any receipt older than 14 days won't be processed for points. Once you've started scanning receipts, you'll see what you've entered on the activity page. This log can help you track your spending and form a budget if you don't have one. You'll see details from your recent receipts, a graph of the points you've earned, any spending goals you set, a graph of your total spend, plus a breakdown by retailer. At the bottom, you'll also see a year-by-year breakdown option. You can dive deeper by clicking on a year's box, then looking at individual months. Another way to earn is by using the SingleCare pharmacy card associated with your Fetch Rewards account. SingleCare is a service like GoodRx or RxSaver where you can present the digital card at participating pharmacies in place of insurance. By using this card, you'll get the pre-arranged price that's been brokered by SingleCare and the pharmacy for your medication. For more information about SingleCare, check out our article linked in the description below. When you want to redeem points, go to the Rewards page and scroll through your options under Use Points. You can redeem points for gift cards when you accrue as little as 3,000. 1,000 points is generally equivalent to $1. Gift cards are available in set dollar amounts. The most common amounts are $3, $5, $10, $25, and $50. There are tons of types of gift cards from major retailers like Amazon, Walmart, Target, and more. When you have enough points to redeem for a gift card, you'll see a yellow ring around the dollar amount of the gift card you select. Tap the amount, then click the Get My Reward button. You'll see any gift cards you've traded for on the Rewards page under My Rewards. Overall, I really love using Fetch because it's easy to scan receipts and I don't have to do any planning before I go shopping to earn rewards. Plus, I have 2 weeks after a purchase to scan a receipt. It's a great way to get free gift cards without a lot of extra work. How do you make extra cash? Tell us about it in the comments. Subscribe to our channel and watch some of our other videos to learn how to save more every day. And you can always learn more at clark.com.